Hello everyone, this is the HeroQuest fan-created, um, computer game we've been working on. This is going to be the June of 2021 update. And if you want to play this yourself, go ahead over to GameCodePlus.com. I'll put a link in the description. Give it a download and let us know if you hit any issues or anything else in the discussions on the top here. All right, let's get right to it. Let me start the game up, and I'll just kind of describe some of the features and things that are left to do as we go. And otherwise, I think I'm just going to play the first level and just let you guys watch and see how it goes. So we'll do a single-player game. I'm not going to edit any of the names, but if you wanted to, you could edit your character names here, edit your player turn order here. Since I'm using a multiplayer screen, it still says this. I'm going to get rid of that at some point. Here we go, the maze. So this is one of the first missions that are available in the board game version of this game. It's actually produced by Hasbro, I believe. Came out in the 90s. It's a really fun game. I recommend everybody buy it if you can get your hands on it. There's a Kickstarter or something going on right now to try and reproduce it, so that should be pretty cool. Alright, so the first thing that you do at the beginning of each mission, per the board game instructions, is you draft spells. So the wizard gets 3 spells, the elf gets 1. So the way that it's currently designed is that the wizard gets to choose first. So for the wizard, I will choose the air spells, and then the elf gets to choose second, and I think I'm going to go with the earth spells since they're very defensive, and then the wizard can take the rest. Alright, so at this point I'm just going to play a little bit. I'll make some notes or comments as we go, and we'll see how it goes. Let's see. I happen to know that there aren't any traps in this mission, at least I don't believe so. If you do a search for traps, which I'll do right now, and there was one in this hallway, it'll actually blink the location of the trap and the type of trap. So if it was a pit trap, it would show the pit and it would blink it, or similarly for some of the other trap types. Now this game is currently coded for full multiplayer support. If you choose to try and play this with a friend, I'll put the port number it uses in the description, but if you're on the same network, you can use the LAN option, which will actually just find the other games. If you aren't, you'll have to have somebody host, and then the person that wants to join will have to actually put in the IP address of the hosting machine. If that doesn't make sense to you, then it probably isn't something that you're going to do at this point. In the future, it'll be easier. I have some ideas to do internet play. Let's see. This is the current cast spell screen. It shows all the different spell groups and who owns them. So the elf owns this one, that's why I can't cast any of those. And then these 3 are owned by the wizard. I do need to come up with another way to make the text a little larger. It's very difficult to read. Probably do some kind of tooltip. But I have not gotten to that yet. I don't see anything worth casting at this point. The enemy AI is pretty simplistic right now. Just tries to get to the closest hero it can. I might make some updates to that based on some better strategy. And also this screen here is the kind of the de facto attack screen. Can go either direction. It's not bad, but I'm definitely going to have to do an entire UI pass in the future. Now that I'm in a room, I'll do a search for treasure. And of course, This character has rolled Snake Eyes twice in a row. I think that's a bad omen. Give myself some rock skin. Since this character is the bad omen, maybe I should prepare to be attacked. I also have a full 3D rotatable camera. I don't typically use it when I play, but it is something that's a nice to have in case you want to use it for something, or you prefer a different view, or something's in your way. Wow, I'm getting a lot of Snake Eyes. It's terrible. That's right, I used an ability already this turn. Pretty sure he can reach me wherever I go. So let's see. The only other thing I would like to show, I don't want this video to go on too long where I'm just showing the same thing over and over and over. Let's see. Do the ball flame. Let's see if I can find... I want to get a consumable and just give a basic intro to how the inventory system is going to work. But I do not have a consumable at this point, and the only way I can currently get one is to search for treasure and get a potion, because this is the first mission, so I don't have anything in my inventory right now. Well, money. So, anyways, I don't want to continue this too long. So, right now, this button down here brings up your inventory. It shows the entirety of the character set that is active, so Dwarf, Wizard, Barbarian, Elf, the current weapon that they have equipped. So right now, the Barbarian has the short sword. That gives him 3 attack dice. If you had other equipment, you could actually swap that out. So by removing this, I just removed the dwarves, not the barbarians. What am I thinking? So if you look at the dwarfs, right now he has 2 attack dice, and then he goes down to 1 when he has nothing equipped. There isn't, I don't believe the game rules specify what happens if you have no weapon equipped, but that's what happens for me right now. The other thing that currently would happen is if you had a spell, or a potion, let's say of healing, you could drag that to the consume cell as long as it's your turn, and then consume a potion, so healing potion or whatever. I don't have one right now, and I don't want this video to go on too long while I try and get one, so maybe in the next video. So here is the current version of the game. I hope everybody enjoyed that. I hope you give it a chance, download it, give me some feedback, let me know what you like, what you don't like, things that are awkward. If you have any bugs that actually stop you from being able to play, or something strange happens, I'd love all that feedback. So I appreciate everyone's time, and enjoy. Thank you.